Hi everybody. Am I the only one who didn't know bananas are basically nature's energy bars? Well, let me fill you in. Bananas are seriously underrated. These yellow wonders are not just a convenient snack. They are packed with nutrients that can benefit your body in numerous ways. Packed with potassium, they keep your muscles strong, your heart healthy, and help prevent those annoying post-workout cramps. Athletes love them for a reason, but that's not all. Need a natural energy boost? Bananas have you covered. Their mix of natural carbs, fiber, and vitamins gives you steady energy without the sugar crash. Perfect for pre-workout, midday pick-me-ups, or recovery snacks. Got tummy troubles? Bananas to the rescue. Their fiber supports digestion and keeps things moving smoothly. Plus, they nourish your gut's good bacteria. Feeling stressed? Bananas are rich in vitamin B6, helping your brain produce mood-boosting neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Who knew a banana could help you chill out? And don't even get me started on how versatile they are. Smoothies, pancakes, oatmeal, even natural ice cream bananas do it all. You can even use the peel for skincare and teeth whitening. So next time you need a snack, grab a banana. It's a powerhouse of nutrition, energy, and wellness in one delicious, affordable package. Trust me, your body will thank you. Let's dive a bit deeper into the benefits. Bananas are not just about potassium, they also contain vitamin C, which is essential for your immune system. This means that eating bananas can help you fend off illnesses and keep you feeling your best. Additionally, bananas are a great source of vitamin B6, which plays a crucial role in brain health. This vitamin helps in the production of neurotransmitters, which are chemicals that transmit signals in the brain. So, eating bananas can actually help improve your mood and reduce symptoms of depression. Bananas are also rich in antioxidants, which help protect your body from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause harm to your cells, leading to chronic diseases and aging. By eating bananas, you can help protect your body from these harmful effects. Another amazing benefit of bananas is their ability to support weight loss. They are low in calories but high in fiber, which means they can help you feel full and satisfied without consuming too many calories. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone looking to shed a few pounds. Bananas are also great for your skin. The vitamins and minerals in bananas can help improve your skin's texture and appearance. You can even use banana peels as a natural remedy for acne and other skin conditions. And let's not forget about the convenience factor. Bananas come in their own natural packaging, making them the perfect on-the-go snack. Whether you're heading to work, the gym, or a hike, you can easily toss a banana in your bag and enjoy a nutritious snack anytime, anywhere. So, the next time you're at the grocery store, make sure to stock up on bananas. They are a versatile, nutritious, and delicious addition to any diet. Your body will thank you for it. Remember, bananas are not just a snack, they are a superfood that can help you live a healthier, happier life. So go ahead, peel one open, and enjoy all the amazing benefits that bananas have to offer. Trust me, your body will thank you. According to a study published in the Journal of Nutrition, the high potassium content in bananas can help lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease. Another study from the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the fiber in bananas can aid in weight management and improve digestive health. Research from the University of Alabama suggests that the antioxidants in bananas can help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to chronic diseases like cancer and diabetes. So not only are bananas delicious, but they are also backed by science as a superfood that can enhance your overall health. So the next time you enjoy a banana, remember that you're not just eating a tasty snack. You're fueling your body with scientifically proven nutrients that support your health and well-being. Enjoy the benefits of this incredible fruit, and let science be your guide. Follow for more tips on how to make the most of your diet and live a healthier life.